Good morning, everyone. Hi, good morning. So I just shared one file, okay? Can you please check it? Your mailbox. I just shared one file related to SQL Server data importers. Can you please check it and download it on your machines? This is as a part of the next report development, okay? So we are going to connect to the SQL Server is our database, okay? SQL Server is our database to build the report or else visualizations. Can you please check it? Everyone received a file name called sales data importers.backup. BAK. Can you please download it, everyone? And here I need a volunteer, okay? Because maybe if you already have the SQL Server installation on your machines, it's well and good. If it is not available, I will guide you how to get it installed on your machines. So, anybody volunteer so that I can guide you. You can share your screen. So on the next project development, we are going to connect to the SQL Server database and we are going to prepare sales statistic development. Okay. Everyone received a file sales data importers. Just now I have shared. Can you please check your mail? Yes. And let me share it quick. And before moving on to the next project, right, I have received most of yours PBX files, manufacturing project PBX files. It's well and good. It's nice to get it. And I just got one file. Okay. I'm expecting from your end why we are getting it as a blank. Okay. Can someone please here? You are observing my screen, right? Able to see my screen? Is that visible? Okay. So here I'm getting it as a blank. Quarter is blank. Maybe if you can try to add the month name, it is also blank. And total YTD, we already calculated the total YTD. It is also coming it as a blank. Any guess? Any guess? Total revenue, we have the data. See here, 1.06 billion. But if I'm using the total YTD, okay, overall sales for each and every individual years, the date filter here, date table, date filter. So I'm getting it as a blank, total year YTD. In such scenarios, where we are going to check it, okay, in real time, if you are getting it as a blank, which level we are going to check it? Is that in the issue is at the model view or else data level or else data type mismatch? Okay, I'm giving the options, okay? Why we are getting it as a blank? So we have to troubleshoot, right? Good, excellent. See here, if you are getting the total revenue, total revenue value we are getting, but when I'm using the date table, wherever, in my next page as well, I'm getting it as a blank, which is, I need to cross verify the date level. Okay, see here. I don't have any information. Month, everything is blank. Even the day level is also blank. So in such scenarios, we have to cross verify date table, whether the date table has been mapped it perfectly or not. That is the first activity. And after that, how it is, like from date table to which table it has been mapped and what is the data type. Okay. I'm navigating to the model view. Okay. Click on this model view. So sales table, date table. So it is used perfectly. Date column is the one. We have mapped it perfectly. Okay. Sometimes if you map with another column instead of a date column, suppose if you map with another column also, we will get it as a blank only. Okay. It's a completely incorrect visual, or else we will not get any info sometimes. So in such scenarios, see here, I just open this. This is date table, date format. And if you're observing sales table, this is not a date format. Okay, date data type format. So this is showcasing something like 31st 03 fine 2020. I'll just navigating back to the data view to cross check the data type. So see here, this is mismatch. So we have to change here. Here, see this date sales table date column. Here we can change it to date data type. My best suggestion is you can change the sales table date column data type in the query editor instead of changing it from the Power BI desktop level date data type. My suggestion is instead of changing from the Power BI desktop level, you can change the date column data type in the query editor. We know how to do that, right? Navigate to the transform data sales table, select your sales table, change it. You know, this is some other file, okay? So that's why I'm getting this error. So you know that you can change the date data type. Just try to select the transform tab, use the detect data, select all the columns, Control A, detects the data type. Okay, that is the option. So can you please check it? Is that fine? So that is the issue. Is that clear to you? Okay. That's what I just want to showcase. I mean, common errors. Okay, these are all common errors. Another way is you can change it here also because time being, I'm just trying to change the data type here itself. So you can see the stats and all. Okay, this is the stats. You can see the values. Okay, check it and let me know. Good. So any volunteer, I want to guide you how we are going to install. I mean, if you already have the SSMS, I don't want to guide anyone. See here, this software is required. SQL Server Management Studio. So here, as per the next project development, we are going to connect to the SQL Server is our database. Okay. So we have to get connected. So in this way, and here, just now I shared one backup file, right? You have to get imported this sales data importers. Okay. This one, this database. So here we have some tables. We are going to connect SQL Server is our database and pull some of the tables to build our next project development. Understood? Any volunteer? Or else if it is already installed, I can start directly the project. Next activities. If SQL Server is already installed, everyone's mission, I can start directly the project development. Is that available? That's what I'm asking, right, everyone? If you are keep silent means I can start. That's it. I'm expecting some volunteer because it is already installed in my mission. So that's why. SQL Server is installed in my mission. So if somebody was there who is not installed or is maybe not aware of this installation process, I will guide you the process. Okay, you have to get it installed this SQL Server Management Studio and pull the SQL Server tables to your Power BI application. That's the expected. Already installed. So you know how to restore the database, the file which I have shared with you. You know how to restore it. Yes. You know how to restore it. See here, you have to select the database, right click on this, restore database. Okay, you have to select it. And I have provided a file, right? It's a file type. Okay, it's not a database. It is available on your device. Select it. Three dots, not down. Here, three horizontal dots. And you have to add the file from this backup file type. Fine. I'll just showcase to you how to get it installed. Okay. Someone raised. Anybody volunteer? Yes. I will unmute you, and also you have to share your screen. I will guide you. Okay, that the process I'm going to guide it to you. I'm into it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Follow the steps. Okay, whatever I'm telling, just follow the steps. One more link in the chat box. Please select it.
Okay, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
1 second. I'm giving the co-host access to you. 1 second. Yeah. Now you can share your screen, please.
Yes.
You can start sharing your screen. Yeah.
Yeah. The link which you have provided.
1 second. Little go down, please. If you can go little down. So this, why you have provided this link in the sense. So this is an connector, SQL Server Express Edition connector. Little go down. Go down. So there is a vertical scroller, right? You can go down. Yes, down, still. Down. Yes. Download Express, that is SQL Server 2022. No, not developer. Express edition is the connector, free edition. Okay, it's not a paid service. We have to get downloaded. Pop up, you can disable it. I mean, enable, sorry. Always allow. Yes. No, it's already downloaded. You have to select it. Okay. You have to select the first one. exe file. You are able to see some exe file, right? Go to the download path in your machine. It's already downloaded 3 times. Go to the download path. Yeah. First one. Yeah, that one. Select it, double click. Allow. Yes. Will ask you yes. Yes. 1 second. It will.
Basic.
1 second, 1 second. So everyone able to see the screen in the chat box, please. So I'm telling the process how we are going to install this Express Edition and as well as the SSMS software. After that, we are going to import the file which I have shared with you. I hope, Srini, you downloaded this one also, right?
Yes.
I mean, I have shared one sales data importers, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Keep it at your end and the download path, okay? Wait. You're able to see that? Yeah, that one only. I'm expecting sales data importer start backup. Wait. So you have to see this black screen. This is the dialog. Select an installation type. So here you have to select the basic version. Okay, you are not customizing anything. Select the basic. 1 second. Slowly. You have once you can select it, basic. You can see the license type. So you are going with the normal license type. Select accept all the privacy policies and all. Allow accept it. So this is the by default location. So see here, installation location is this is the by default. C program files MS SQL server. Maybe sometimes right where the SQL server files will be get installed. Program files only. Okay, nothing any other. So as per the space, this is also depends upon the space. C path, if you have a good space, the software size, if you're observing on the right hand side, there is the software size. Yes. 606,604 MB. Okay. Minimum size required. Select the install. Click on the install, please. It will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes as per the network. Please follow the steps. I'm actually explaining this process, how to get installed and how we are going to import SQL tables, okay, SQL Server tables to your Power BI desktop application. If anybody missed or else still if you are failed to do that, please let me know right away so that I can stop and we can do it. Maybe due to some other privacy settings or else some space issues. Okay, if you fail to get it installed, this SQL server, you are not able to install this SQL server in your machine. I have an other alternative. Okay, you no need to worry. I will share you these files. Okay, the table files in the form of a CSV format. Okay, as a part of the report development you have to get connected to the CSV files. Okay, if you fail to install this SQL Server, as I said, right, the reasons due to space constraint or as a privacy policies, if you failed it, no issues. I will share you the files in the form of CSV. You have to develop this project. That is the agenda. Okay. In real time, right? If someone will ask you, have you connected? I mean, you have to tell that, okay, you have connected to the SQL server is the database. I have imported some tables to build these reports. Okay, don't say that I always connected to CSV files or else some Excel files. We have connected to the different source system. Like what data feed I have shown to you how to get connected. What data feed, open data protocol, and Excel files anyway I have shown to you Excel. CSV we connected, text files we connected, and also this SQL server, another source, a database system, we're getting connected. Okay, these many source systems, if you can I mean, convey in the interview process, it is good to go. Okay, maybe from the this weekend, right? I'm going to start sharing the Power BI interview questions and as well as the resume preparations too. You have to start, get it started. Okay, almost we completed the first project, manufacturing. And once we completed the second project, which is more onto the more functionalities of DAX as well as some Power BI functionalities. So we'll get to know everything. Okay, after completing this project. Okay, that's the expectations. Clear, everyone. Everyone installed it or else any questions or else you stuck it somewhere. Maybe which one we need to choose, like a basic custom or manual error. Install, good. And whoever not completed this manufacturing project, Please try to complete it, okay? It's a good assignment. I have shared the complete documentation as well. Expecting from everyone, almost received it, but still, if anybody missed to share the assignment, please try to complete. And also, I'm sharing some important documents with you, which is related to the SQL important or else SQL info and DAX, quick checks. Okay, these are all very important documentation for your interview prospect. Please go through it. Yes, Srini, it is taking too much time.
Yeah, it is taking too much time. My system is bit slow.
Okay, okay. Others, what happened? Is that completed? One person said completed, Anusha. What about others? Is that get installed on your machine? It showcased some installed. It is installed, completed the installation. Okay, that's what it is going to project. Here itself, black screen itself completed.
Is the last processor or is further any other processes?
Which one? This is the, I mean, after this, we have to navigate to some other, another one. Okay, we have, it will show you another link. Okay, we have to redirect to the SSMS from here. Installation is in process. Good. Lakshmi, what is the error? You can tell me that. I'm getting an error. What is that error? Where it is? While doing the installation or else in the middle? You can tell me that. You could install it. Where? Then where is the error? At which point you are getting an error? Can you share me the snapshot to my mail? Okay. That's what I'm saying, right? If some configurations, security policies, or else some space issues, if you are getting some error messages, no need to worry about it. Okay. I will share you the files in the form of CSV format. You have to get it imported and prepare the report development. But in the interview point of view, okay, don't convey that you have used CSV or else something. Only CSV, XLS, file size source system. You can convey that you have connected to different databases. Like example, as I said. Fine. You will get this message. Installation has completed successfully. So in this window itself, wait. So here down, if you're observing, install SSMS. So you have installed as of now the connector. This is the connector for the SSMS backup. So you have to select the install SSMS. Select it. Select the install SSMS. Click on it. Select it. I mean, can you please close that? Got it. Something like that is there. Okay. Little go down. We'll make it as a bigger. Okay. Maximize the window. Little go down. Slowly. Slowly. Yeah. Here, it is also a free software. SSMS is also free software. Free download for SQL Server Management Studio 19.1. Okay, latest one. 19.1 is the latest. If you can go little down, still there is 18 point. Another version is also available, I think. Just to go down. Is there 18 point? I'm using 18 point version. No, it's not there. They have removed it. This is the latest version. 19.1 is the latest. So my software is, I mean, which I have installed in my machine, 18.6. Okay, fine. You can install this latest version. Yes, that one. Select it. Click on that. This is the exe file. 19.1 is the exe file. Latest one. It will take some time. 629 MB is the file. So system, I mean, the software. It's again a free. We no need to pay anything. It's again a free version. SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. I mean, you are observing the latest build as well, the release date and the release number. Release date is May 24, 2023. And release number is 19.1 version. Okay, someone maybe which version you have used in this is 19.1 you have to convey. Okay. Wait until this exe file get completed. I mean the download. Then you can select open here itself. Okay, open it.
Or wait.
No. Wait here itself. Sanjeev, which one you want me to explain? I mean, from the navigator, right? Once you get any message, completed the installation, down there is an option like install SSMS. Okay, can you show me one more time, Srini? Can you showcase
Yes.
that window? There is a window, right? That one. Wait here. You haven't, don't close it until the completion of the software installation. Okay. So
Okay.
once you get completed this, okay, SQL Server Express Edition, down itself, they are providing that install SSMS. You have to select install SSMS. It will redirect to the SSMS point. Okay, website. Okay, web URL, it will be redirected. And from here, minimize it. Here, you have to download SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio latest one. This build has been released May 24, 2023. Okay.
We download that.
Is that completed?
Yes.
Okay.
So
You had, once you get downloaded, right? See here, the icon, if you're observing, there is a database icon on the tools, right? You have to see that one. Set SSMS setup, ENU. Okay. Select it, double click on that software, double click. Sanjeev, is that okay to you? Is that clear? Okay. Wait, don't multi-select, okay?
no.
Already you selected, right? You
Mhm.
selected, correct? Okay, wait
Yes.
then. Uh, there is some slowness, I think. So. Okay, Priya, you are getting an error, right? Priya Prakash. One second. So this one, so once you select it, it is asking you to, you want to install the software, SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio. That is another database, okay, Azure related. Install it, install, click on the install button, install,
Yes.
yes, yes. Once you select yes, okay, it will ask you, do you want to install on your machine? Yes, select the yes option. It will take again few more minutes, okay. I saw you the snapshot, Priya. I mean, you're not able to see any database also. So, second. I mean, once the installation process, is that okay to share your screen? Can you share your screen? I mean, just want to see how it looks like. I saw your snapshot is showcasing cannot connect to Priya like that it is showing. Okay. Just once we completed this installation, right? Please share your screen. I will check it. Okay. This week we are going to complete this project. Okay, we are going to start working on this week, right? And one more thing, tomorrow I'm not taking the session, as I said, right? I already conveyed to you. I have to, I have a meeting, okay, tomorrow at early morning. So I have to get connected to it. Important. And next day, right? We are going to connect. Fifth, fifth. Tomorrow we don't have a session. Okay. Whoever not completed manufacturing project and also the advanced DAX functions which we discussed, please try to complete it. The project, complete project development I'm expecting. And I'm going to give some assignments as well. Okay. After, I mean, I just want to take some additional time today. Please try to complete whoever the completed that assignment. Okay, already the manufacturing project. I will share you one simple assignment. Please try to complete it. Okay. And tomorrow I'm not taking the session as I'm having a meeting early morning. It is asking to restart and close the option. What it is asking you to restart. You can restart it and join back. Okay, instantly. Please. If it is asking you to restart it, your mission. That's what these are all the privacy policies. Restart and close all the options and rejoin one more time. Okay. Parallelly, I will share you whoever not able to connect, right? Alternative approach, as I said, I will share you that files also. Please use it, those files, okay, those CSV files. If you are not able to connect to SQL Server, okay, if you are not able to connect SQL Server database, you throw some error or some configuration issues. I'm going to share you right away alternative approach, that is CSV files to build this project. Okay. Please download it. Okay. And one more thing, don't share this, I mean, the backup file somewhere, okay? It's important. Please don't share this BAK files. And also the materials which I am sharing with you. Very confidential. Yes. What's ready? It is taking too much time. Others, you completed this. You're able to see this one also, right? Don't close it. Okay, wait. Cancel.
No,
Don't open it. Okay, wait. Wait. Come and see. You'll get a message here also.
if other have finished, then they can share. I think like it is taking too much time from
No, okay,
mine.
okay, no problem. I mean, just expected. Quick. It will be very quick. So, fine. In the meantime, right, you are able to see something like a try here to search, right? Down corner after the Windows button. Windows tab. Try here to search down. Your bar, taskbar, down, down. I'm seeing here. You can search it for the software. Is that available on your machine or not? Can you search? There is a
Yes, sir.
down. Windows button is there, right? I mean, Windows left side corner,
Yeah,
left
yeah.
side. There. Search for SQL SSMS. Just SSMS type. SSMS. I mean
Yes.
SSMS, not MySQL. SSMS. It's still that one. Select it. I mean, still showing in progress only. We have to get a message, completed message. Let's see. Maybe due to some reasons it is showing like that. It is opening. Maybe it's a slow, right? You said.
Yes, yes.
Mhm. You said.
Fine. Please close the.
Okay, okay, close it, please. It's still running. You can close the software. Yes, it's still in progress, right? You can close. It's still in progress.
Already done, but I don't know like.
Correct. Packages are in still progress. Post installations task in progress. That's the message. So that's why installed. Maybe a few in the back end it
Yes.
is going on. Okay, fine.
Completed.
Setup completed. So you have to get this message, okay, after installing this SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Setup has been completed. All the components and the packages has been installed successfully. Okay, this is the last message. Close it. You can close and you can open it. Just now you search right like that. You can open. Type it SSMS. Yes. Open 1 second. Open this icon, okay? The database with tool icon. You can close that also. Now it is not
This
required. You
also.
can close.
Okay.
Yes, that one also you can close it. Open it and you can close it. 1 second. Wait, wait. 1 second. Cancel.
No, no.
No only. Yeah. You don't see here. Here, if you're observing this instance name is SQL Server, you have to get it as an instance SQL Server. And your server details SQL administrator desktop hyphen 49 something is there HP laptop. So that is the SQL administration server details. Okay, server name is desktop hyphen 49U something it is projecting. So those are the info. So now you can close it. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
This also close.
Yes, it's completed, right? Close it.
Yes.
Mm. Now you can open this SSMS now freshly. Any other completed? Any others? Others? I mean, you're able to see this icon. That's what I'm expecting. If your speed is good, you can share your screen quickly so that Srini, can I go
Yes.
with that others? Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm
One
stopping.
second. What is that? It is showcasing as a repair something. You haven't installed
Yeah.
it properly. It is showcasing something like a repair. Why? Just try to repair it. Okay. Maybe we have opened in between, right? Repair it and check it. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone ready to share your screen, please? After this part, can you
Um,
please raise your hand? Just, wait for some time, Srini. Okay.
yeah, sure.
After repairing, right, you can open it. Okay. You'll not get any error. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
So shall I stop sharing the
Yeah,
screen?
please. Yeah, it will say, see here in between we have opened the software, right? It's still some
That's
software
why.
is missing package.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm stopping
Fine
it.
then. Yes, please. Yeah. Yes, Lakshmi, are you ready to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. One second. I'm giving the co-host access. Yeah, share your screen, please. You can close this. Close it. Okay. Select OK. This one also you can close it. Close. Can you open it freshly? I just want to see. Close it completely. Now we can open it. Share your screen. No, where you are going? Why here? You can close that part also. Background. Hmm. Why you are trying something to install from differently? Down.
Yeah.
Yes. Select it. This is a very simple installation. We don't need to go to the command prompt and something. Okay. So here the
Okay.
server name is missing. You have to get the server name. Server name is not a Priya. Open this. Just open it below. It's not there. So installation is not in a proper way, Priya. Installation is not in proper. So you have to uninstall the software. So you have to get the your laptop name before it, and then it will be get installed. Okay, maybe the connector you haven't installed, right? SQL Express Edition. Have you done that? Express Edition is installed,
Yes.
but you have to get this is the one laptop name slash Express Edition. That is the
Okay.
process. Close it, cancel. Can you try? I mean, just want to see the error. Okay, not the Priya. Priya is not the username there. I mean, server details. There should be something different. What is the error? Just select it. I just want to see one more time. It's trying to connect, but it throws an error. Okay. Cannot connect to the username Priya. Okay. So because of the Express Edition, you have to get it installed. Can you show me the Express Edition?
Okay.
Close it. Cancel. I have given the link, right? Can you please show me that Express Edition? I am asking you the Express Edition in the chat.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm? A little down, please. It's a connector. That's what I'm saying. Why the software is required in the sense is for the not down, 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 little down. Express edition is the connector. So I have showcased you the thorough process. Download it. Click on this. Allow it. There is a pop-up. Allow this. On the web link, there is an pop-up. Allow. Go to the download path. You can go to the download path. Yeah, select that. Select it. That is the by default download path. Double select. This is this connector. Double select. Yes. Press this. Where is it? You haven't installed this. That's why. Click on the basic. Accept. That is the by default path. You haven't installed anywhere. Install it. Okay. And then close the Power BI application. I'm sorry, this SSMS application. Reopen it again. Or else maybe you can uninstall the SSMS application from the program files. Okay, control panel, and then reinstall it by using this process. Go to the control panel. No need to do that like the process. Use the control panel and it is very simple. Yeah, that is the fine. Add or remove programs. Yes. From here, you can uninstall this. Which one? That software. Yeah, that one. And try to do it in a fresh mode. Okay. Already used. You open this. Yeah, uninstall. It's showcasing uninstall there. Uninstall. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Wait for some time. In the meantime, right, that connector will be get installed. It will create your username. Okay. It will get created your username with your laptop or as a configuration. And then you can navigate to this SSMS software.
Okay.
Wait then. Maybe your laptop is very fast. We'll see. Others, everyone completed, right? Gaurav, Yashoti, Anusha, Narendra, Niharika, others, Priya, Sanjeev, Tejas, completed. Maybe the software is not installed properly, Sanjeev. Repair, uninstall, and close options if you are observing means maybe we missed somewhere. Software is not installed properly. No issue, Sanju. So already shared the alternative method. So the process is we have to install and get connected to it, and we have to extract, okay, import the tables from SQL Server. That is our agenda. If you fail to do that, I already shared the mail just now. Okay, alternative approach, converted files of CSV. You can use it, okay, as a part of the project development. But in real time, right, how can we get to know or else how we are going to do this process? In real time, right? Yeah, that is fine. In real time, once you join in any organization, these software installations and all doable by administration team. We no need to worry about it. As a part of our learning, we are doing on our own installation. In real time, we no need to do this installation and all. These activities will be done by the admin team, IT team. Okay. So if your source is an SQL Server, it is already installed on your other VMs, virtual machines if you're connected, or maybe in their remote Citrix machines too. We are not going to do this installation process at all in real time, I'm saying. Okay. Everything will be get installed. You will get to know the what software or else a database we are going to connect. So from that database, we have to pull from the tables from Power BI. In real time, I'm saying. See here, this is an error code. Database engine unable to install SQL Server setup, exit code. So there is some problem, Priya.
Okay.
That's why you are not able to get it installed. Maybe you can clean up both the installations, try one more time. Still, if you are facing there is a log error issues, still if you are getting the error, just, I mean, as a part of the report development, right? Please try to use this CSV files. Okay, similar files only. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine. Any others?
Thank you.
Yeah. Others, anybody share your screen? I just want to guide you the remaining process. Okay. From the SSMS, you have to import the backup file, the sales data importers. Anybody complete it? Srini, is that completed at your end?
Yes, sir. Can I show
Yeah,
my screen?
now it is coming, opening.
Yeah, it is opening.
1 second, Srini.
My dialog box, I can see like connect
Okay, share your
server.
screen.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
share your screen. Don't select anything, okay? Please. Remaining process, I just want to guide. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. Server name. So after repairing the software, right? Because you opened in the middle, okay?
Hmm.
That means, I mean, you have to reinstall or else something you have to do shortly, because if you, I mean, as per the configurations part, if you open that SSMS, which already installed, or else maybe with some errors, just to repair it, or else just try to restart your machine and try to check it. So just now Srini also repaired the software, because in the middle of the installation, I asked him to open that, okay, SSMS. So that's why he got an error like repair, uninstall, or else a close. He just repaired it. Now this is the server details which I have told you. So server name is there, that is his desktop or else a laptop name, slash SQL Server. This is the desktop hyphen 49U4642 is the his laptop name, Lember. Okay, his laptop name, HP laptop name, and slash Express Edition is the connector. Like that, your laptop name we have to add it, slash Express Edition, which we already first installed, right? That software, that is the Express Edition. And use the Windows authentication method. There are multiple approaches. You can open the drop down. Okay, different approaches. You can use your local username configurations by default. Okay, Windows authentication only. Okay, it is not like some other user details or something. Use it as it is. Okay,
Okay.
Windows
Okay.
authentication. So down, if you're observing, we have to get connected to it. Okay, connect it. Click on the select connect. Let's see. So on the left hand side, you can see the database. Okay, because of the slowness, it's throwing some, I mean, slow, right? Yeah, in the left hand side, you can see the desktop. That is the primary one. Databases are there, correct? You can see the below databases folder. Okay.
Okay.
Open this. There is a plus option icon is there. Plus option is there. Open it. It will show some hierarchy inside the database. System database snapshots. Snapshots is nothing but an, I mean, like a duplicate, a kind of an insight. So here on the databases part, we have to restore the file which I have shared with you. I have shared one file, right? I
Yes.
mean, backup file. Right click on that database, right click on the about database folder.
Here?
No. Databases folder. Yeah, there. Right click. Yeah, there. Right click. Restore database option is there. We are trying to restore it. I have shared the database, right? Backup
Yes.
file. You are trying to restore it. You are not creating any new database. We are trying to restore it. Click on the restore database. Click, select it.
Yes.
It will take some time, I think. So, source above, if you are observing source database, down there is an icon option, right? Devices. Okay. We are not creating or else extracting the data from database. I have already shared a file, backup file. which
Yes.
is already available on your device. Okay,
Yes.
click on the device. So horizontally, there is a 3 dotted ellipse option, right? Opposite to it, device. So select the 3 horizontal dotted options. Select it. So it will open one more window. Okay, select database backup, device backup. Okay. It's a file type only. No need to change the media type file or some other source system. Just a file only. I'm not sharing any URL or some other configuration. Just is a by default. It is a file. Make it as a file only. Okay. Add. On the right hand side, there is an option add. Add. So after clicking on the add, this is the by default location. So your software location that is. Okay. So that is the copy that path. Copy the path. Backup file location. Copy it. Paste it in some notepad or else somewhere.
Okay.
Notepad. So this is for restoring the database. Okay, I'm giving the info. Okay, select it, copy it, paste. Okay. Again, duplicate that path. Duplicate it, the path. That means copy it, and down next line, right? You can paste it. Not that. Okay.
Here
That also, that one also fine. Next line. Paste it. Remove the backup there. Why you are removing the backup means sometimes, right, as per the mission configurations, it will not be allowed, okay, to restore the database. Okay, backup will not allow to restore, also copy or paste the database. So that's why I'm asking him to remove the backup, remove the slash also. Slash. Copy the path now. Sometimes we are getting an error if you are pasting the file in the backup location. That's why I'm asking him to remove the backup. Paste it there. Paste it. Paste it.
It's not. It's
No.
not getting.
Control C, Control V only. Or else cancel that, or else manually you can remove it. Cancel that. You can just cancel it. Here itself you have an option cancel, right? Cancel it. Add. Click on the add button. Manually you can remove the backup. Manually. No. Just at the go to the last and then remove it. Yeah. There. Yeah. Remove the backup only.
Okay.
Yeah, remove. Yeah. Up to slash. Enter. Enter. Yes. Once you select enter, these are the folders that are available. So the file which I have shared with you, backup file, you have to paste it here. You have to paste here in this location. You have to call the file from this location. So minimize all the windows. Minimize it. Just use the Windows button D. You can use the Windows button D. Windows button D. Yeah. Minimize it. Now open any folder. Folder. Open any folder. Folder. Type a folder file there. I will tell you where the located. Where is the download? Go to the downloads. Yes, please. Go to the download. Copy that backup file. Copy it. Control C. Control C. You have to navigate to that path. You have to navigate to that path. I asked you to copy in Notepad, right? First,
Yes.
you can go to that path. Yes. First, you can go to that path. Control C.
Control C.
Paste it on the download. Paste it on the download. Above there is an option, right? Yeah, there. Yes, there. I mean, there. Yes. Select it. Control C, Control V. Paste it. Paste it.
Control V.
Paste it. Yeah. Enter. You have to copy the path. You have to copy the path.
I'll do.
Yes.
Copy.
Paste it here.
It is not getting pasted.
It is not getting pasted. You have to can you navigate to that path then? Okay. See the path, file path location. First, you can copy the sales data importers. Okay. Sales data importers. I can guide you. Okay. Don't go there. Anywhere. Copy the backup file. You no need to copy paste this link. I can guide you from here. Okay. Copy that. That one you can copy it.
Okay.
Copy. Go to the C path. C. From here itself, I can navigate. I can tell you the path. No. You have to paste the file here. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Go to the folder now.
Yeah.
Okay. I will show you. C program files. My Microsoft SQL Server is the path. Okay. I can guide you this path. Okay. I can tell you. You already copied the file, right? Backup file. You
Yes.
already copied it.
Yes.
So click on the backend window. Downloads.
Okay.
There is a backend folder window. Is there, right? Open it. Go to the C drive.
C drive.
Slowly you can go. No need to worry. Program files. Click on the program files. MS SQL Server. SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is there. Select it. So here SQL Server 16.express edition. Select it. Down. Last one. Yes. Select it. Select. I mean, double click. You have to go to inside the folder. Okay. Select SQL Server. Select it. Okay. Paste it here. You can paste it here. That exe. Sorry. That. Yes. Continue. Please. That backup file you have to paste it here. That's what I'm saying. You pasted, right?
Yes.
Everyone following, right? You have to paste that backup file here. So why the backup? Inside there is a folder, one more time, backup, right? Above one, the first one. Folder is that backup. So sometimes, right, if we are copy paste that sales data importers that backup, it's throwing some error. So that's why I just navigated one step back and asked him to paste here. Sometimes we are getting an error. If you copy paste that backup file inside the backup folder, so that's why I asked him to paste it here. Okay. Now you can move to this installation process. You have to call this file. Yes. Refresh. Above there is a refresh option is there. After the SQL Server, there is a refresh. You can see the sales data importers dot backup. Down, last one. I'm seeing. Select 1 second, please. Everyone, you're following, right? Sales data importers dot backup file is available here. Select OK. Select OK one more time. So we are trying to restore it. Okay. We are trying to restore the backup file to your SSMS. So back and right, it is reading the data and as well as progress is going on. Select OK here. Yeah, we are trying to import it. So that process is done. So select one more time down, there is a OK button. So full database we are trying to restore. We have to get a notification import successfully. Your sales data importer file is imported successfully. That is a message we have to get it. Database sales data importers restored successfully. Select OK. Open this SSMS now. Open it. Now the database is available. You can open the plus option. Database. Yeah, there. Tables plus option. So here, these are the tables that are available. We are going to extract to prepare the report development, sales project report. Okay, those are all the tables only. Got it? Understood? Everyone following? Yes, this is the process. Now, from the Power BI point of view, open the Power BI, SQL Server, get data from SQL Server, paste the server name. So we have to see the table information from here. Server name, paste the server details, okay? Not this one. Go to the database again. That is the one. Desktop, select the desktop, above one, right click, connect. Copy the server name, copy it, Control C. That is the server name. Control C.
Control C.
Paste that server name here in the Power BI level. Yeah, paste that. Yes, database is optional. If you're observing, the database is optional. Okay, database name is optional. If you can provide, yes. If you are not providing the database name, how many databases are there in that SSMS? Those are all the databases will be listed out. So server name he provided, and data connectivity mode. By default, it is an import method. Please observe, okay, data connectivity mode. By default, already selected import method. Other than that, there is one more method, direct query method. That part we will discuss in the next going forward sessions. By default method is we are copying the table information to your Power BI desktop application. That is nothing but an import method. Okay. By default, it is an import method. There is an advanced option. Click on the advanced option down, open it. So here, so some people are asking like where I'm going to write the statement. Here on the SQL statements part, we are going to write it. That is also an optional activity. So maybe if you want to restrict with some period of information, either you can write the statements here or you can write the SQL statement, select a statement only, select statement in the backend. You are not going to write any create statement or else a drop or else a delete statements here. You have to use either the select statement only here or from the backend database to restrict. Everyone following, right? This is what the minimal activity we are get to know. I mean, SQL parts. I mean, is that required to SQL? Like, I'm getting the questions. Yes, statements, reading the statements are required. That knowledge is mandatory. Where I'm going to write the SQL statement. Here, you're going to write the SQL statements for the filtration with the where class or else maybe if you're trying to restrict with some period of data. Okay, that is optional activity. So select OK. Please select OK. I have already started sharing the SQL documents too. Very, very easy process. Okay, please go through it. Windows only, Windows authentication only you have used. Current credentials, fine. Select to connect. Windows authentication we have used. Select connect. Yes, okay, click OK. It's an encrypted method. It's connecting, waiting to desktop to get connected. So you have to see a window. Normally we are getting the pop-up window, right? If you're connecting to the Excel file or as a
Yes.
CSV. Like that, you can see a pop-up window to see the tables. That's it. So this is what I'm expecting you to observe. So open this SQL data importers, please. You are seeing the database there, down. That is the primary one. That is the server details, down. That is the database. Yes. These are all the tables. Suppose if you select, I'm giving the some table information, sales data importers. Don't select any other, please.
Okay.
Search button, there is above search option is there. Yes, there. So many tables are there. How can we get to know? So here we can search it. I want to get connected, sales order, type order. Yes, down there is a sales order. Yes, sales orders table, select it. Order line is there, select it. Those are all required tables to build our project. And next tables, customer, just remove the orders. Remove the orders above because you searched with orders, right? It is showing orders table. Remove the order customer table. Customer, that is sales customer. Customer, sales customer, down. And remove the customer and try to search with warehouse. Warehouse. Warehouse stock items. Many tables are there. Warehouse dot stock items. Down. Yes, that one. So 4 tables he selected, 4 different tables. So you can get to load it, okay? Load it. Save this one, save it. After loading these tables, please save it. So this is the process. Yeah. Those 4 tables will be get loaded to your Power BI desktop. Everyone following or else any questions, concerns? If you have any issues, please let me know. That is the process. So 5 tables we selected. 4 only, right? Okay. So as a part of the next project development, we are going to connect to the SQL Server and we have imported as of now 4 different tables: sales order line, sales customer, warehouse stock items. So we are going to build a sales related statistical development report. Okay. Any questions up to this part? Others? Is that clear to everyone or else any queries? Please let me know.
Take more time, sir.
Okay, well, I mean, you know, right after this, what we have to do? Save
Yes,
it, okay?
I'll save it.
Okay, save it and tomorrow, right? Maybe if I mean, day after tomorrow, if I ask you, you have to share or else some other, okay, other volunteer. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can stop sharing. And if you have any questions, right, let me know. And as a part of exercise, tomorrow, as I said, I'm not going to connect. Let me share my screen. One exercise. Let me share my screen back. Everyone, I'm not getting a responses. Is that process is okay to you? The thorough, complete end-to-end process, the SQL installation I have guided, is that clear? I mean, you are observing, right? Though you are failed to install, some people are failed to install. You know the process. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. You no need to worry if you fail to get installed or else if you're getting some errors. I'm sharing the another alternative approach. You can use that. Okay. You can import the required tables too. That's fine. No issues. Fine. As a part of best practices, okay, as I said, right, tomorrow exercise, I will share you a data set name called waterfall data. This file you are going to receive it from my end. So here in this file, you have two data tables, okay, two sheets. The first sheet, if you are observing, there are two different tables. Here, the first sheet, in the data sheet, the first table information, it's showcasing something like a period, the data, I mean, balance of your account, bank balance, example, bank balance. Can you please mute? Period. So maybe from the first month of December to end of the month. And the base value in his account, the amount it has been deposited, withdraw amount, okay, account from this, from his or else her account, and the cash flow details. They're providing something like a cash flow. So for each and every month, if you're observing, there is a calculation too. 2000 is deposited, and maybe there is a withdrawal of 220 rupees minus, okay. And again, here there is a calculation. If you're observing deposit minus withdraw, so there is a calculation. So that's why we are getting it as an bracket that is nothing but a minus 300. Okay. So there is some positives and negative values. So here coming to this particular day, 16/12/2021, as per the formula, the cash flow here, see this, deposit 2,400 and withdraw from this 1,500. So this is the remaining amount, 900 is the remaining, okay, cash flow part. So like that, on the complete month, the ending balance is 2,705 rupees. Okay. This data set, we are going to import to our Power BI application, this waterfall, okay, XLS file, first table. Another table is also we have. So this is related to the recruitment process, okay, employee recruitment over the period of time. So the period it is getting started, maybe we don't know which year it is, but they're providing on the monthly basis from Jan to December, base employee count, on how many employees has been hired on each and every month. Maybe some people will be retired or else maybe they will get some other jobs, right? Maybe they have hired or else retired. That information is available in the next field, week field, with the 20 people hired or else fired, sorry, fired or else retired. So the on the head count. So this is just like a subtract between hired value minus fired or retired. So this is the values. So we will get to know head count flow is over the period of time. This is the head count flow, and the total head count for that particular company, 546 members, employees. So two different data sets, okay. First one is bank account details on a particular month. I mean, Another one is below, if you can go little down, it's related to the employee hiring policies, hiring details. Okay, over the period of time from Jan to December. Okay, we will get it extracted, these two, okay, and prepare positives and negatives over the period of time. We know which chart we are going to use it, right? To showcase the positives and negatives, which chart we are going to use it. Already discussed. The name of the dataset also fine. Waterfall chart. So here we want to showcase the positives and negatives. So here, let me add period. Already imported, okay? It's an Excel file. We know how to get it import. And y-axis with cash flow. Able to see? The first one, cash flow. And the another data set also I have imported headcount. Another data set I have imported, that is the base details. Okay, employee. Fine. So if you're observing this, is this x-axis is showcasing the right format? Is that a right alignment, right order? You have to tell that. Is that x-axis? Is that in a right order? Let me increase the font of x-axis. You can just check the x-axis order. Is that a right order? You can sort it, okay? You can sort it based on period. You have used the period on the x-axis. So let me import it one more time. This is the 2020. I just want to change it to 2021. 1 second, please. One second, huh? I'm just trying to import the file. Fourteen. That's it. So manually, I just to create a simple data sets. Okay. Maybe first I have created with 2020. I change it to 2021. Maybe you can change it to 2023 also fine. That's no issues. See here. But is this the right order? First of all, no. So I want to get the information in this way. Cash flow, 12th month, first day 2021, 4/12, 2021. So continuous order. Okay, over the period of time, 1 to 31st, I have to get it in the right order, not like something. Opening balance is fine to me, but the 7th is not the right starting. I have to get the first month, first day, 12th month, 2021 here. This one I have to get it as a first, but this is not a proper sorting order. Can someone please help me how to get the proper sorting order? How to get it? This is not, there is no date or else a month here. See this cash flow, there is a no month name or else a month number. How to get this? How to get the proper sorting order like this? Back end, if you're observing, opening balance 1/12/2021, 4/7/10. This is the proper sorting, right? I want to get the same order. So, but here, as per the value, we are getting it. Or also I change it to sorting order based on the period. Still I'm getting here like this, which is incorrect. It's not a correct order. How to get it? No, it's not working right. I already done that. Based on what, which one you are going to sort? I selected the period. Sort by column, which one we are going to sort it? Which column you are going to sort? No, there is no base value. We cannot sort it or else a cash flow. See here, it will not work out. Opening balance is coming at the end, which is incorrect only, right? I want to get the opening balance first, which is a text, and again the dates and ending balance. It's again wrong only. Correct? Such type of a scenario, if you are getting a mix of date along with the text information. This is the text only. See here. This is the text, not a date format. It's not a right approach to create a date table. Understood? If we are getting a field with text mixed, okay, text along with the date related. In such type of a scenario, you can create a new column, a sequence column, okay, sequence of numbers. In query editor, we can create a sequence number, okay, index column. Select your table, cash flow. We can add a new column, click on this add column, index column. So here, index column, it will be get start by default 0 to 1, 0 onwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. It's a number, sequence number, index number. So it will get started from 0 or from 1. Maybe I'm interested to get started from 1 onwards. It will be get started. See here, from 1 to until how many records are there, it will be get created number 1 to 13. Suppose I'm interested from 0 onwards. Okay, the index number will be get started from 0 to 12. Like that, maybe sometimes, right? If your requirement stands with the incremental order, we can create a customized flow also. Maybe I'm interested with only even numbers. Okay, starting with 0 to like this, even numbers. Okay, incremental with 2. So in this way, we can create it. So by default, I can go with by default. The index column will be get started from 0 onwards. Okay, the index number I have created here. So go back to the close and apply. I have created one new column there. So with this new column, I'm going to sort my visualization. So try to use the period now, period. Sort by column based on which one? Index. Select the index. Now you can sort it based on axis ascending. Now you can tell me, is this the right approach? Is this the x-axis giving the right continuous number? Dates, opening balance is there. 147 as per the backend data, they have been sorted. So 1 to 12. So this is the process. Understood? Everyone? Is that clear? So 31st is last. This is the total value. So let me add the data labels too. Clear? Everyone? Is that clear to you? So can you do the same for employee hiring details? Another table, employee hiring. I'm not doing that activity. Can you do it and share the report with me? PBX file or a snapshot. Snapshot is fine in this scenario. You don't need to share the PBX file. Can I expect the similar way of doing for this report? I mean, another table, head count. Just create one more page. Try to create a head count in a proper way. So here on the head count part, you have to consider period on the x-axis and by categories on the head count flow, the flow of data, positives and negatives, and in a proper sorting order from Jan to December. That's what I'm expecting from you. Please try that, okay, as a part of tomorrow's exercise and let me know. Or else you want me to do it right away, I can do it, no problem. See here, please focus. Again, a waterfall chart because I'm interested to showcase both my positives and negatives. Instead of that, what I will do in the sense in real time, I will duplicate it, giving this as a head count, and change this categories, okay, whatever I have added. Period from this head count, and instead of a cash flow, I can consider the flow of head count. Okay, head count flow. Is this correct? Is this order is correct? X-axis is correct? You have to tell. You have to decide. It's not a continuous positive, and also the x-axis is not a proper sorting. January is fine, but December something is coming. So you have to create a new column here, okay, which is nothing but a combination of our text as well as the month. See here, it's not a dedicated month name, right? Month name. If it is a dedicated month name, yes, I can go with the month number. But here, this is a combination of start and as well as the month. So I had to create one new column, create an index column, okay, sequence number. So on the top of it, we are going to sort it this x-axis, the period. Select it, sort by based on index. Okay, sort it. Okay, is that clear to everyone? There's the starting the starting employee details 200, and each and every month there is some requirement. Okay, recruitment has been happened. Okay, headcount has been increased 120 peoples. Maybe at the June month minus 10. So as per the data availability, see here, headcount minus 10. So it's just a subtracting between the hired people and fired people 100. So minus 10. So this is the information I'm providing here. Okay, and the total count, head count is 546, total value. Okay, like that, I'm expecting to complete this exercise. Okay, I will share you this PPX file with you along with the data set. Please try to complete it for tomorrow's exercise, and also please don't join. Okay, if you're joining means I'm getting a call from Naresh editing. So please, tomorrow no session. Day after tomorrow we are going to connect. And also, if you are not able to connect to the SQL Server, please make sure that you are connected to the CSV files. You know how to connect to the CSV, right? Please. Do you have any questions? Means you can raise a. You can raise it right away. Classes date, Tejas, I'm expecting to get completed 14th or 21. Okay, 14th or 21. If possible, maximum I'm going to complete 14th or else 21. I need one more week. Is that okay? But if you have any questions, please raise your hand or else we will connect day after tomorrow. No questions? Thanks. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.